How to fix Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid. So if you're trying to access a website and you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So the first thing you'll need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone, scroll down to General and click on this, then scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Now if you're currently connected to a VPN, make sure to go in disconnect from this now. You can then head back over to the main settings page on your phone, scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps. Now scroll down until you see Safari from the list and go and click on Safari. You can then scroll down to Clear History and Website Data. Make sure all history is selected and then press Clear History. Now head back over to the main settings page on your phone. Now click on your profile name at the top of this window and go and select iCloud. Now scroll down to iCloud Plus Features, and if you have the option for Private Relay, click on this and go and turn off the private relay. Now finally head back over to the main settings page and scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down again and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Press Reset and click Reset Network Settings. You will need to enter your iPhone's passcode, and once you've done this, you can try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network and you can check to see if you can now access the Safari website. If it's still not working, what you'll need to do is use the search box on your phone and then go and open up the Notes app. You'll then need to create a new note like this and go and paste in the link that you're trying to access. Now once you've pasted the link, go and hold your finger down on it like so, and then you can press the Open Link button and you should be able to now open this link in Safari. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.